Hi, my name is Steve Meskers. I'm your state representative for the 150th District. I'm standing here right now on an overpass to I-95. If you can hear anything beyond me, what you hear is the noise of the traffic that courses through this highly valued residential district.
Something that really angers me with the DOT is that they've known about this problem for 30 years.
I can actually feel my radiators and my house shake.
And I think this is actually a very, very good opportunity for the rest of the towns who are, close to I-95 to take a look at what's happening and to hear what's happening.
I'd rather not talk at this level all the time.
Our competing states, New Jersey, New York, and Massachusetts, have all implemented noise remediation measures for their highways. And we all know that Connecticut has been losing businesses and residents. It's time for the state government to focus on the health and well-being of its residents.
Whenever you have a project of this magnitude, there's going to be noise, and there's also going to be some opportunities. And in the case of the Riverside Association and some other residents, they're looking to see if DOT will address and include some noise abatement measures. And I've seen the response. I forwarded a letter to the governor, who did respond, and then had Commissioner Giletti respond to say that they're aware of it, and certainly they're want to work with everybody, but they said there was no money in what was called the Type 2 noise abatement program.
I'm standing in front of the New Lebanon School because in a 1995 Connecticut DOT noise study, they singled out New Lebanon Elementary School as exceeding federal and state noise levels 26 years ago.
I feel like the noise does take away from that normal family life that you would have, and we had to acclimate to it. I do see my kids getting frustrated, and they don't ever open the windows. They leave the windows closed. They wear headphones all the time. That also, they can't hear me because they're wearing headphones all the time to avoid the noise.
Noise-reducing asphalt can cut the noise levels by 10 decibels. And studies show that a 10 decibel reduction in noise is equivalent to a 50% reduction in what we hear.
For the DOT not to even consider coming down here and looking at it and studying it and telling us no straight out, I think that's just poor leadership from the DOT standpoint, poor leadership from the administrative standpoint, and it's been a neglected portion of our infrastructure for 30 years now.
I would really like CTDOT to reconsider how quickly they say no to certain things that the people are asking for.
Well, at the very least, I would expect them to listen to what we're saying and to take it into careful consideration, because I believe that we have very valid concerns.
In 1978, we didn't have the knowledge and data we have today.
It is something that is affecting people now all across the I-95 corridor, and will continue to, and will get worse.
Their next board meeting should be in my backyard, and see how it goes from there, and see if they can handle it and hear each other.